A team of Childline Thaubal team was assaulted last afternoon at Kairem Bikhong Awang Lekai. As per report, the incident happened when the team, on getting a call at toll-free number 1098 regarding a child marriage issue, rushed to Kairem Bikhong. Upon reaching the venue, the Childline team was allegedly physically assaulted by the groom's family. Bharatiya Majdoor Sangh, Manipur today observed Paryavaran Divas at MSPDC LEEU office in Lamphilpat, Manipur. L. Susindro Maitai, General Secretary of BSM Manipur, L. Sanatombi and Northeast in charge MBS N. Tomba Singh attended the observance as main guests. India and Bangladesh have yesterday agreed to step a vigil along the international border. The Border Security Force and Border Guards Bangladesh will conduct joint patrolling and set off more border outposts along the unfenced borders. As per reports, the decision was taken at a meeting of the district magistrates and deputy commissioners of Mizoram and Rangamati and Dandarbar Hill districts of southeast Bangladesh and senior officials of BSF and BGB in Aizawl. On the roads of eastern Assam's Jorhat, along with black and white zebra crossings, will be visible protective yellow stripes on either side of educational institutions banning the sale of life-threatening tobacco products. According to reports, the move was initiated by the District Tobacco Control Cell in collaboration with the police and district administration. The Apex Mountaineering Authority of India have announced not to issue permits to scale the 8,586-meter Mount Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak in the world. The decision was given by the Governing Council of Indian Mountaineering Foundation, as the peaks in Sikkim, which are under the category of sacred peaks, include Mount Kanchenjunga.